Yeah, it's your boy, reppin' the 651 Eastside strong. St. Paul, Minnesota, where the struggle's long. Ain't no joke, it's real life. We grind every day, trying to make a way, trying to get paid in every way. We got our own style, our own vibe. Eastside, St. Paul, we keep it real, we keep it fly. From Frogtown to Dayton's Bluff, we rep our hood. We ain't no joke, we're the real deal, we good. We're cruising down Maryland there, feeling alive. From Della White Bear Ave, we thrive. We reppin' our block, we reppin' our town. We won't stop until we wear the crown. E blocks where the trap house is. You know the deal. We making moves, we getting real.
Eastside St. Paul, we run this town. We keep it gangsta, keep it real, no frown. Eastside St. Paul, we got our own pride. We rep our hood, we rep our side.
We're the kings of the block, we on the rise. We got the game on lock, we ain't never compromise. We tryna make a difference, tryna make a change. But it's hard when the system designed to rearrange. We're the voices of the streets, we're the ones who know the struggle's real, the pain's real. We can't let it go. We're the Eastside St. Paul, we're the ones who care. We rep our hood, we rep our people. We show we dare, we're making a name for ourselves. We on the map, we're the Eastside St. Paul, and we won't stop. We'll keep it real, we'll keep it gangster. That's a fact. We'll rep our hood, and we won't look back.
Eastside St. Paul, we run this town. We keep it gangsta, keep it real, no frown.
No frown.
Eastside St. Paul, we got our own pride. We rep our hood, we rep our side. Eastside St. Paul, we run this town. We keep it gangsta, we keep it real, no frown.
No frown.
Eastside St. Paul, we got our own pride. We rep our hood, we rep our hood, we rep our side.
From the golden harvest to unison, we rep our hood. We got our own style, our own move, we good. We're the Eastside St. Paul, we on the rise. We ain't never forget where we came from, that's a fact. We're the product of the struggle, the product of the pain, but we won't let it define us. We'll rise above the shame. We're the Eastside St. Paul, where the future's bright. We'll keep it real, we'll keep it tight. Day and night, we'll rep our hood, we'll rep our people. That's a promise, we'll keep it gangster. We'll keep it real, no compromise.
Eastside St. Paul, we run this town. We keep it gangsta, we keep it real, no frown.
No frown.
Eastside St. Paul, we got our own pride. We rep our hood, we rep our side. Eastside St. Paul, we run this town. We keep it gangsta, we keep it real, no frown. Eastside St. Paul, we got our own pride. We rep our hood, we rep our side. Eastside St. Paul, we got our own pride. We rep our hood, we rep our side. Eastside St. Paul, we got our own pride. We rep our hood, we rep our side. Eastside St. Paul, we got our own pride. We rep our hood, we rep our side.
We ride, we ride.
Eastside.